Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's Taylie here. If you're new here, then welcome. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button down below so you're notified every time I post a video and you can get with the gang. And if you're not new here, then welcome back, sis. What did we say last time? Thanks for rolling with the sister. Thanks for letting the sister roll. All right, we're gonna make it stick, just like Fetch. But anyways, I finally recorded my wash and go tutorial. So if you know or not, I have been natural for probably, well actually for 8 years now. It's 2019. I went natural in 2011. I've been natural for 8 years now. I cut my hair off into this tapered cut with an undercut in May 2018. So for a few months. Before then, I was literally at bra strap length. I have a type 4, a mixture of the type 4s in my head. Everywhere is a little different. But yeah, so before I cut and dyed my hair, I never did a wash and go because one, I just thought my hair couldn't do it, which is not true. Like type 4 can wash and go. You can do it. It's gonna be tight. Like it's not gonna hang, but you can do it. But anyways, I never tried it because I was just like, my hair type cannot do it. But when I cut my hair and bleached and dyed it, you know how bleach loosens your curl pattern. So I took that to my advantage and said, you know what, I'm gonna be a wash and go girl. You can and will get this wash and go. And so that's literally what I've been doing since May. I will do a twist out here and there, and I'm gonna record one for my channel because I get a lot of compliments when I do my twist outs. But 9 times out of 10, I'm doing a wash and go. It's really just easy for me because I do work out about 6 days a week, so I'm sweating. It really only looks good for like 2 to 3 days because I sweat a lot, okay? And I work from home, so I'm always in a bonnet anyway. So anyways, it's just easy for me. I only use 2 products. Really simple, really key. The products I use in this video, all of the products that I use in this video are from Black owned businesses. Can I just get a yes? Okay, I love it, I stand. But purposefully putting in plenty of products from makeup to skincare to hair care in my regimen that is Black owned. I feel like it's so important to support our people. And yeah, I just love it. I'm not gonna go on a rant, but that is a disclaimer I wanted you guys to know that I'm really proud about. So I hope you guys love this video. Leave a comment down below on what other hair videos you want to see. Leave a comment for some hair color suggestions because we are gonna fix this discoloration. And comment, subscribe, like, show me some love. I love y'all, and let's get to it. All right, here we go. I'm working on freshly co-washed hair. You'll be able to see that it is getting a little dry now, but I do have a spray bottle in hand so we can work on soaking wet hair. I already did the back section as I show you here, right there. And now we're just going to work on the top. So I'm going to part my hair into sections. Working with sectioned hair helps the process go by so much quicker, and it helps deter any tangling, especially if you already detangled your hair. You don't want to just get it tangled back up. So we're going to work in small sections. I don't have a rhyme or reason to my sections. I kind of just go in the middle and then, you know, to the side. I also showed you there how I have like a smaller section. It was part of my style, so just bear with me. All right, so like I said, we're going to get our hair nice and soaking wet. I love the results I get for working on soaking wet hair. The brand I'll be using today is Ottawa Beauty. This brand is made specifically for kinky and curly hair. The leave-in that I'm using right now is the Biomint Leave-In Conditioning Styler, which is extremely moisturizing, provides amazing slipper detangling, and is said to have fast absorption to reduce drying time. Their line has no sulfates, no parabens, mineral oils, petroleum, synthetic colors, drying alcohols, is vegan and cruelty-free. So I'm going to take like 2 pumps of that. It does come with a pump, which is great. And I'm going to brush it through my curls with my Denman brush. I already detangled, but this is just like another step to detangling. This leave-in conditioner is very thick, which I like. Super, super moisturizing for me and my type 4 curls. So it gets an A+ for me. So moving on to the Biomint Moisturizing Curl Defining Gel. I love this stuff. It still has none of the bad stuff, just like the leave-in conditioner, vegan and cruelty-free. It is said to have a medium hold, full curls that turn into a light hold once fully dried. Wash and go on kinky hair types. I just love that this line is dedicated to the kinkier types. Again, they focus on anybody can do a wash and go, and with these products, I truly believe that is true. So I took a good amount. It's really like, it's a gel, but it's has a custard consistency, I guess. I don't know, it's a really weird texture, to be honest. But I'm gonna work a fair amount through my hair. You'll see I part it into smaller sections just so I can better work with each section and get the most definition. So I'm going to work it in through my hairs with my fingers first, and then I'm going to take that Denman brush again and run it through. This is really going to help bring those curls to life. So once I do that, that is called the raking method. Now I'm doing the praying hands method, where you pretty much put your hands in prayer form, mush the curls together, and just glide down. That helps the curls clump really nicely together. So you guys are just going to see me do that throughout my whole entire head. Yeah. So when I get to the shorter side of my hair, I have these shorter sides on each side of my head. I still add the leave-in conditioner, detangle it with my Denman brush, and the defining gel, but I just separate it and do little coils around my finger. That way they get the most definition, because it's not long enough for me to really rake my fingers through and do the praying method and all that good stuff. So just some coils, and I'll take them out when my hair is completely dry and it just meshes well with the rest of my hair. So that's all. Showing you again on this last section here. My hair is soaking wet. I'm adding the Biomint leave-in conditioning styler, and then going to rake through my fingers, rake through with my Denman brush for ultimate definition. I'm gonna add the Biomint curl defining gel, and then do the praying hand method, and we're good to go. Okay, and one of the final steps in my process is to use an oil. This is the Fahari Naturals Unity Oil. It says it is a special blend of hydrating, invigorating, and soothing oil, perfect for your whole body. Smooth it over hair, face, or body. 100% naturally derived, and for all hair and skin types. I love that it has a dropper. It's also black owned, okay? So I just fill the dropper, I put it into my scalp, not necessarily on my hair, but in my scalp, and especially on my shaved sides and back, and I massage it in a little bit. Now you see me just kind of fixing the pieces to lay where I want them to lay, and then we're going to do the most crucial part. You gotta shake your head. This this clumps the curls together and it just really gives you ultimate definition. gets out the excess product. It's a tip I picked up from the YouTubers that I watch, and I've been doing it ever since I've done my wash and goes, and it's just not right without it, okay? So I rock my head forward and backward and then side to side. And then again, I'm just looking for any pieces that don't look as defined as I like, and I'm just going to take a little bit of gel on my fingertips and define that piece further. And you're done. It's been a few hours since I did my wash and go. It's been 4 hours to be exact. As we know, for most naturals, especially naturals with thick curls, it's going to take a whole day to dry, and I don't have a whole day. So normally at this point, if it's mostly dry, just the roots need to dry a little bit more, I would use my diffuser. However, I've lost my diffuser piece, so I'm just going to use my blow dryer. I got this from the beauty supply store, $10. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. It just needs to have well, I like for it to have a cool setting. Doesn't have to have whatever your preference is, doesn't matter. But I'm just going to hit the roots a little bit whilst stretching it out, and then we'll go from there. Look how lopsided I look. Before I do any more manipulation to my curls, I'm going to go back in with that Unity oil from HEYYYYYY Naturals, a little to my hand, and I'm going to crunch it into my curls. We're still damp, but I ain't got time to wait, okay? If you have a gel that leaves a crunch, putting an oil on your hand and then crunching it into your curls will help get rid of that crunch. This gel doesn't really leave a crazy crunch or anything like that, but I do like it for the added shine. Now I'm just patting it in, making my hair look real attractive. BFF, and we are going to fluff. Mind you, I'm still damp, so I'm not going to get maximum fluffage, no volume right now. That's okay with me. It'll get big as the day goes on, as it dries, as I sleep on it tomorrow morning. But for the sake of this video and everything else I gotta do today, just gonna make it work. Ooh. You definitely don't want to pull all the way out. I'm just at the roots, just lifting. Doing this in a little camera monitor is tough. Yeah, that's cute. Cute. So yeah, as you can see, this is my wash and go completed. The products that I use leave my hair super moisturized for days, and for me, I know a lot of people focus on definition for wash and go, which is great. I need my hair to be moisturized, like point blank period. If I'm gonna get great definition but I'm only gonna be moisturized for a day or two and then I need to wash again or deep or whatever again, no. I'm getting at least 3 to 4 days of really good moisture out of these products. So, and you can see the definition we have going on. Again, I'm a frizz girl, so once it dries, I'm probably gonna go back at it with my pick and get the volume really nice and big how I like it. But even for now, like, I like this. I like it, it's spunky, it's me. It took 2 products and an oil, no big deal, no crazy mess. Well, it was a mess, but no craziness, and we're good to go. So I really hope you ladies enjoyed this wash and go tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.